Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at how to update Hugo if you're on Windows. Now for this video, we're assuming you're working on Windows and we're also assuming that you've installed Hugo with Chocolatey. Now, this is the easiest way to update Hugo, so you may have to have a look at my other video on installing Hugo, and in that video I show you how to not only install Chocolatey, but then how to go ahead and install Hugo and other programs that you'll need for working with Hugo with Chocolatey. So I've got that link up the top if that's what you need. And we'll be looking at how the commands are required to update Hugo to the newest version with Chocolatey. So you have to hit the start button and then search for PowerShell. And you can either right click on it and run as administrator, or if it's come up in the search, you can actually hit the button there to run as administrator. That's really important because you won't be able to run these commands if you're not an administrator. So we're going to run Choco upgrade, and then you've most likely got Hugo extended installed. If you don't, I recommend you do. It's got a few extra elements you probably need at some point. Now in this case, it's telling me that it's already up to date. However, you probably have to use A and enter to accept the terms of the newest version that you'll be installing. But in this case, it tells me I've already got version 0.133 installed. So that's it. That was a quick one. I wish you all the best with updating Hugo. It's really important you do stay up to date because Hugo is constantly changing. Remember to hit that bell notification. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to get regular updates on modern web technologies, especially static web design. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you next time.